What if I told you that 2025 might be your last chance to use a massive wealth transfer and tax savings loophole that's set to disappear on January 1st of 2026? Hi, I'm Chuck Roulette. I'm an estate and elder law and asset protection attorney licensed in both Florida and Minnesota. And I can tell you this, most Americans have no idea about the gifting opportunity that's about to vanish. So, in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to legally transfer significant wealth to your loved ones without triggering tax nightmares, but only if you act before the window closes later this year. But before we begin, if you haven't already, make sure you hit the like and subscribe buttons so you'll be notified when I post new videos like this one, and be sure to share it with others who may need to know this as well. And if you have a question, post it in the comments below and I may answer it in an upcoming video. And if you stay until the end, I'll share some resources where you can discover more. So here's a secret you may not know. The current state and gift tax exemption of $13.99 million per person is scheduled to drop by more than half on January 1st of 2026. That means if your family's net worth is over $5 million, Uncle Sam is about to take a much bigger bite unless you act now. So let me illustrate this with a quick example. Meet Robert and Linda. They have a $15 million estate. If they do nothing and pass away after 2026, their family could lose up to $2 million or more to estate taxes. But with proper gifting strategies in 2025, they could potentially save their family millions. So let's start with what I call the basic annual gift strategy that anyone can use right now. In 2025, you can gift up to $19,000 per person without filing any paperwork or paying any taxes. And if you're married, each of you and your spouse can gift up to $19,000. So that doubles that to $38,000 per person. Now here's where it gets powerful. This applies to each person you give to. Your children, their spouses, your grandchildren, each can receive the full amount. In fact, one of my clients transfers almost $500,000 every year to his family using this strategy. That's $2.5 million over just 5 years, completely tax-free. But here's a gifting secret that almost nobody knows about. There's no limit to what you can give for education and medical expenses. Now, the only catch is you have to pay the institution or the provider directly. This means you can pay your grandchild's entire college tuition, hundreds of thousands of dollars, without using a penny of your gift tax exemption. In fact, one of my clients said, that I showed her how to pay for her grandchildren's private school and college while still giving them their annual gifts. And we've helped transfer over $1 million, and it's all protected from taxes. But remember, there's a big difference between smart gifting and making costly mistakes. So before you start writing checks, you need to understand these critical warnings. First, if you might need nursing home care in the next 5 years, gifting could be disastrous. And that's because Medicaid has a 60-month look-back period, where gifts can make you ineligible for benefits when you might need them most. Second, you need to be careful gifting appreciated assets like stocks or real estate. When you gift these assets, you also gift them your tax basis. So this could trigger massive capital gains taxes that could have been completely avoided through inheritance instead. In fact, I've seen families lose hundreds of thousands of dollars by gifting the wrong assets at the wrong time. But gifting isn't just about taxes. It's about something I call emotional wealth transfer. So have you read the book Die with Zero by Bill Perkins? In there, he makes a powerful case that gifting while you're alive creates infinitely more value than waiting until you're gone. So imagine helping your daughter buy her first home and seeing her face when she gets the keys, or funding a family vacation where 4 generations create memories together, or watching your grandchild graduate college debt-free because of your support. The joy of giving while you're alive to witness the impact, well, that's priceless. So here's your 2025 gifting action plan. Step number 1 is assess your situation. You need to determine if you might be affected by the 2026 exemption drop. Step number 2 is to identify gifting opportunities, whether that's annual gifts, educational expenses, or medical costs. Step number 3, consider advanced strategies. For larger estates, specialized trusts can protect even more. Step number 4, get professional guidance. Do-it-yourself gifting can trigger unexpected taxes and complications. Remember, this opportunity is set to disappear on December 31st of this year. Now, this isn't just about saving taxes. It's about controlling where your hard-earned money goes. And after nearly 3 decades helping families preserve their legacy, I can tell you one of the biggest regrets I hear isn't giving too much, it's waiting too long. So if you have questions about strategic gifting, protecting your assets from long-term care costs, or ensuring your family legacy, visit our website at roulettelaw.com to discover more or to schedule your own consultation to discuss your planning goals and how we can work with you to put a plan in place to achieve them. I'm also hosting an online masterclass where I'm going to be revealing the strategies I use with my private clients and their families to help them avoid probate, save on taxes, protect the money they leave for their kids in the event they get divorced, and much more. And you can join us by clicking the link in the description below to sign up. Don't wait until it's too late. Your legacy deserves protection. I hope you found this video helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in either an upcoming video or the masterclass. Be well.